Hey everybody, Kevin here, WQ9F. Thanks for joining me here on WQ9F Ham Radio. Today I am out here at Jefferson Marsh Wildlife Area. This is Parks on the Air, Park Kilo 9848. And see behind me here, here is the marsh. Beautiful little creek right here with a sign that definitely says closed area, closed to all public use. But I'm pretty positive that's this super rickety looking old bridge right here. They do not want you going through that. But over here there is a trail that leads into the marshland. And just like all of our wildlife areas, we have our brown sign. Brown sign. Jefferson Marsh Wildlife Area. Featured uses hunting, fishing, trapping, wildlife viewing as most of them. No horses, no ATVs, no camping, no campfire. Ooh, also open to cross-country skiing, hiking, and other foot travel. Dogs must be leashed during certain hours. This is a pheasant wetland restoration habitat area though. So we have our real old Pheasant Forever sign over here. Pheasants Forever of Jefferson County. We are in Jefferson County, Wisconsin, and we are going to do a quick Parks on the Air activation because I have some other parks I want to hit today. As always, I'm going to be using, hope you don't get sick here, I've got my car up here, parked up in the real small parking area. I am along County Y here in Jefferson County. There are several parking areas along County Y, so pick your whatever one you want. We're just outside of, I think it's Fort Atkinson, Wisconsin. So as always, I've got my Hustler resonators. I'm gonna try 40 meters. I just came from 9851, and 40 was rough, but there's like no power lines out here, so I'm hoping the noise might be better. So I'm gonna try 40 meters once more, and hopefully we can get this park activated on 40 meters. If not, I'll probably get a few. If I can't get it on 40 meters, I'm gonna try maybe 15. I'm trying to avoid 20 meters because I just want to do some like run and gun, real quick type of activations today, because I want to hit a couple more parks. And eventually, I'm trying to get to a ham radio outlet, so hopefully I can make that happen out in Milwaukee. But for now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, things you want to see on the channel, put them in the comments down below. I'd much appreciate that. And if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any content just like this. And I also have a Buy Me a Coffee if you'd like to make a small donation to the channel. It'd be much appreciated to help us get out to these parks, because I'm about 100 miles away from home, I think, right now. I've put quite a few miles on the car today. So let's go ahead and get this park activated. Alrighty, so I am set up here in the car with my, as usual, Icom 7200. I've got my laptop, I've got my phone connected. I still get good cell phone service out here because we're not really far out into the middle of nowhere. Bioenno 15 amp hour battery. I'm on 40 meters, 7242. Our noise out here, much better, about an S2. Noise out here much better, about an S3 or so. So that's good. There's no clicking like there was before. Pretty happy about that. I'm gonna go ahead and start calling CQ and get this park activated, hopefully, because I want to hit another park. Actually, I want to hit like 4 more parks today. So let's go ahead and get on the air. CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, CQ Parks on the Air, Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, calling CQ Parks on the Air, Park Kilo 9848.
Bravo 8, Lima.
Alpha Bravo 8, Lima, 5x757 into Wisconsin today.
Hey, you're about a 5'8", 58 Michigan, Mike, India.
Roger. Thanks for the second one today. I appreciate it. And I'm going to try and stick with 40 meters, but hopefully we'll work you again.
Well, we'll see if the band holds out. 73s.
Sounds good, 73. QRZ, Whiskey Quebec 9 Foxtrot, Parks on the Air.
November 0, Mike Alpha Oscar.
November 0, Mike Alpha Oscar. Almost put it into the log wrong here. 5x7, 5-7 into Wisconsin.
Thanks, Kevin. Also got you 5-7 to Southwest Minnesota. Thanks for another one. We'll keep chasing you so you can move on quicker if you over.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Sounds good. I've got one. I'm shooting for 5 more parks today. One of them hopefully is a twofer. So hopefully we'll catch you again soon.
All right. Thank you very much. 73 till then.
Thank you, 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Bravo 3, Echo, Germany,
Whiskey, Bravo 3, Echo, Germany, Kilowatt. You are 5x3, 5-3, Wisconsin. Roger, Roger, Western PA. Thank you for the contact in 73.
7-3.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air. All right, so I went ahead and I changed my antenna to 17 meters. I'm trying to avoid 20 because I've got like, I don't know, like 8,000 or 9,000 contacts for POTA just on 20 meters. Something, a lot. It's a lot of contacts. And I just want to kind of go quick. I don't want to be stuck. I did an activation the other day, and I'll put a link down. I'll put a link up in the corner for that activation at Kilo 10785, where I went to 20 meters and I was doing 100 watts, and I ended up with like 220 contacts on 20 meters in like an hour and 45 minutes. It was just nonstop. I don't want to be here for that long. I want to hit more parks. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go to 17. And then I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to go ahead and turn my power down from 100 watts. I'm going to go down to 20 watts. 20 watts should give me a little less reach on my signal. And I think I found an opening already. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot. SWR good. CQ, CQ, CQ parks on the air, CQ parks on the air, CQ parks on the air. Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot. Calling CQ parks on the air, Park Kilo 9848.
Whiskey 4, Tango, Tango, Oscar.
Whiskey 4, Tango, Tango, Oscar. You are 5x5, 5-5 into Wisconsin.
Thanks, USL, 5-4, North Carolina. Thanks, have a good day.
Roger, Roger, thank you, and 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot, parks on the air.
Kilo 9, Delta, Echo, Golf.
Kilo 9, Delta, Echo, Golf, 5x5, 5-5, Wisconsin.
Hey, very good, Kevin. I got you 5-3. I'm probably 20 miles east of you in Waukesha County.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Well, good to put you in the log. I'm slowly making my way towards there. My end goal is to end up at HRO at some point today. Thanks for the contact in 73.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, sorry I missed you on 40. It would have been really easy on 40 meters. What other parks are you doing today?
You know, I'm not sure of them right now. I'm just looking them up as I go. But I know I'm going to try to hit the Glacial Trail. And then I think I'm also going to do, I think it's Prince Point.
Okay, I'm working towards Kilo at Glacial Drumlin Trail. And then there's also the Ice Age Trail around here, a lot of state parks. But have fun on your activation, and 7-3.
Yeah, Roger. I think I found one spot where the Ice Age Trail and the Glacial Trail meet, so I'm gonna try and head there.
Yeah, there's one on Highway. There's definitely one on Highway ZZ, where the Ice Age Trail and Kettle Moraine State Forest are together. So they're there if you can find them.
Yeah, Roger. Well, thanks for the contact again, and hopefully we'll work you again today. 73.
7-3.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot.
November 2, Lima Kilo Romeo.
November 2, Lima Kilo Romeo, 5x7, 5-7, Wisconsin.
Okay, thank you so much. 5-7 both ways. Thanks for activating today.
Roger, thank you, and 73. The station ending in Papa Victor.
Kilo Charlie 1, Romeo Papa Victor.
Copy. Kilo Charlie 1, Romeo Papa Victor. You are 5x5, 5-5, Wisconsin.
Copy the 5x5 Wisconsin. I have you 5x8, 58 Connecticut.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for Connecticut and thanks for hunting today. 73.
73, good luck. Park to park.
Yeah, park to park. Go ahead.
Alpha Julia 1 Sierra, America Japan 1 Sugar, copy 2, Kilo 2685, Kilo 2685, and Kilo 4918, 4918, New Hampshire, QSL.
Roger, Roger. I got both parks and you are 5-5, 5-5, and I'm in park Kilo 9848.
And your call?
Copy. Call sign here is Whiskey, Quebec 9 Foxtrot, QSL.
Whiskey, Quebec 9 Foxtrot, Alpha Julia 1 Sierra. Thanks. Hey, good luck with your activation.
Roger. Thanks for the park to parks. Have fun and stay safe. 73.
73.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9 Foxtrot. Kilo X-Ray 4, Yankee, Quebec. You are 5-5, 5-5, Wisconsin.
QSL, I have you also 5-5 into Victor Alpha.
Thanks for Victor Alpha and thanks for hunting. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9 Foxtrot. Is that Kilo 5 Sierra Oscar?
Negative. Kilo 1 Sierra Oscar. Kilo 1 Sugar Ocean. Roger.
Roger, Roger. Kilo 1 Sugar Ocean came up that time a little bit. You are 5x3, 5-3, Wisconsin.
Thank you very much for the 5-3. You're 5-5. The name's Jerry, and I'm in Virginia, Victor Alpha, so I'm not where you think I'm coming from. Over.
Yeah, Roger, Roger. Copy that, Jerry. I'm operating portable up here in Wisconsin today, and glad to put you in the log here.
I got your 9848. Is that right?
Roger, Roger. I am at Jackson Marsh Wildlife area in Wisconsin.
Okay, well, thank you. Stay warm up there, and hope to hear you again. Hope to work in another park. Whiskey, Quebec 9 Fox, Kilo 1 Sugar Ocean, 7-3.
Yeah, Roger. I'm going to hit a couple more parks today, so keep an eye out on the spots. And it's not too bad out here. Cloudy, but it's about 35 degrees, so pretty nice for January. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
November 1 5 Sierra Romeo Golf.
The November 1 station.
November 1 Whiskey Mike.
Copy. November 1 Whiskey Mike 5757, Wisconsin.
Thank you for the park, and I have you 5-5 North Carolina.
Roger, Roger. Thanks for hunting today here on 17. I appreciate it. In 73.
7-3.
Station ending in Romeo Golf.
Kilo Golf 5 Sierra Romeo Golf.
Copy. Kilo Golf 5 Sierra Romeo Golf. You are 5-5, 5-5, Wisconsin.
QSL, I've got you 5-7 Golf Alpha.
Copy. Golf Alpha. Thanks for hunting today and have a happy New Year. 73.
73.
QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
Whiskey 5 Lima Golf Kilo.
Charlie Park to park.
Was it Whiskey 5 Sierra Charlie park to park?
QSL, Whiskey 5 Juliet to Charlie. I am in Kilo 4421 in Texas, and I have you a 5x3.
Roger, Roger. Copy the 5-3 and copy the park. I have you 5-3, 5-3 as well into 9848, Wisconsin. Roger, Roger. Thanks again. Have fun and stay safe. 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
Whiskey 5 Lima Golf Kilo.
Whiskey 5 Lima Golf Kilo 5959, Wisconsin.
QSL 5-9 Georgia. Thanks for the park.
Thank you very much for hunting. In 73. QRZ, Whiskey, Quebec 9 Foxtrot.
Lima Alpha Golf.
Lima Alpha Golf, go ahead. The station ending in Alpha Golf, go ahead.
Roger, November 3 Lima Alpha Golf. I got you 5 and 5 in the Papa Alpha with QSB.
Roger, Roger. I have you 5 and 5 as well into Wisconsin today. Thanks for hunting and have a happy New Year. 73.
Roger. Good luck. Enjoy your activation. November 3 Lima Alpha Golf.
Thank you. QRZ, last call. Whiskey, Quebec 9 Foxtrot. Was it Echo Alpha 1? Go ahead. Copy, Echo Alpha 1, Bravo, United, Lima. You are 3 by 1, 3-1, 3-1. Roger, roger, thank you, 73.
Alpha Echo 4, Zulu Romeo.
Copy, Alpha Echo 4, Zulu Romeo, 5757, Wisconsin.
QSL to 57, you are on 59, South Carolina.
Roger, roger, thanks for hunting today in 73.
Roger, roger, 73.
QRZ, last call, Whiskey, Quebec, 9, Foxtrot. Alrighty, so I finished up here at 9848. I ended up with, I think it was like 18 or 19 in the log. Happy with that. The moving to 17 meters and turning the power down worked perfect. Even though 20 watts, I was able to work Spain. Real weak copy, but was able to complete that QSO, so that was pretty cool on 20 watts and a hamstick. In case you're wondering what it ends up looking like when I'm doing these park roves, everything gets put on the seat over here right next to me, and it's all hooked up together still. All I have to do is just put it back up on the dash and hook up the coax. It's not super neat, but it works while I'm just trying to get these done. So pretty happy with that. Glad to get another park activated, and glad to work a couple people from the Discord, and had some nice QSOs. Until next time, all, thanks again. 73.